What's up, guys? So I'm going to be showing you this really nice lacy kind of textured detail nail look, and I'm also going to be showing you guys how I created that glitter background in on the pink. So yeah, keep on watching. Okay, so I'm starting off with this nail form. I really love these. I'll link down below, try to find where I got them or where the post is. And I'm taking my Mia Secret clear acrylic. Love this stuff. And I'm just going to start by creating a base for everything to go on. You want to make this layer very thin so that your nail isn't super bulky at the end. And you want to make sure that you really focus on the shape during this part as well, because this is what your nail is going to be based on. You don't want to do a lot of filing. So I'm making this into a kind of like a tapered square, and I'm putting it all the way out to a number 10. These are going to be long. I love long nails, so I don't think I've ever actually filmed a 10 before or yet, so here we go. I'm going to do my next finger, and again, you want to just focus on the shape first. And that's what I love about this clear acrylic. It allows me to literally morph and form it however I want very easily. So I really do recommend this clear acrylic if you're like a beginner like me. And you want to just flatten that out, make it thin as possible. Again, if you need more product, go ahead and add it. I like to add 2 beads like this, because especially if it's like a longer acrylic nail like this, I'm going to like a number 10. I like to use 10 or 2 beads so that you know, the base is good throughout the entire nail. And I apologize if my voice sounds a little weird. I have like sinus issues right now, so yeah. So onto my middle finger, I'm going to do the same exact thing. As you can see, I touch my natural nail as well, so that way it's like a bond between the fake extension and my real nail. It just makes creating the nail easier, I find. So I didn't really show all of the nails, but I went ahead and finished the base. And then I went into my cuticle bead and did a very thin layer. This one is a little thick, but you want to make it pretty thin because, like I said, you don't want it to be bulky. And yeah, just fix up the shape. And these are all of the nails with the base done, the clear base done. I'm going to take this acrylic color that I created. It's like a pinky purple, I guess. And I'm going to take a various amounts of different color glitters. That one was from Hard Candy, and this one's from this company called Dust and Dan's. I really love these colors. It's just really great. This is just a random glitter that I got from like Walmart, I believe, and I just depotted it or potted it into this. And here's another color, like a more purple pink, and this one's like a light pink-ish color. So I'm taking all of these different types of glitters because it will make the glitter acrylic really dimensional, and it'll just make it look good. So I'm taking like a little spoon, taking some acrylic powder out and putting it into this empty pot that I have, and I'm taking each of the glitters and distributing each of them into this into this pot, and I'm taking a little bit by little, but I'm gonna add more if I think I need more of the color. I'm adding a little bit of this one, not too much, because it has like specks of green and I don't want that much green. I want it to kind of like stay pinkish. This one's like purple, but it's still kind of like pinkish. So, and then this one is really pretty. I got this one from Dollar Tree. A lot of cute glitters you can sometimes find at Dollar Tree, so visit your local Dollar Tree. You want to just stir this up. I'm just using like a dotting tool to stir it. And then I'm going to test out a bead and see how it looks on this paper towel. And I think that's really gorgeous. As you can see like all those different types of glitters in there. So I added these two just because I felt like it needed more glitter, but honestly, I think it looks the same. When I swatch it again, I think it like added just a teeny bit more like glitter specks As you can see, it kind of looks more thicker. But I really like this color, and it's something about creating your own glitters. It's just so satisfying. You can create it exactly how you want and just get creative with the colors that you create. So I like this method of creating the glitter because you can literally put anything that you want, like any decal glitter specs that you want, into your acrylic. So very fun. But yeah, I'm gonna take this and just put a layer of it on the clear base that we created. And you don't need a lot of it. Again, you don't want the nail to be super thick. You just want the glitter to be on there. So this is a great way to apply glitter to your nails. Just mix it in with your acrylic and kind of apply it as if it was like thin paint. So as you will see, I am just taking this bead of glitter acrylic and I'm kind of stretching it out to cover the entire nail. And then I take more beads if the glitter pigment isn't there, and then I just stretch that out to the end as well. And obviously, like, the glitter looks more or better in person. Camera does not ever do any nail look justice, but you guys can kind of see how like sparkly and pretty that is through this video. So yeah, I am gonna go ahead and show you guys my thumbnail. As you can see with this one bead, I'm able to bring the color or the glitter all the way down my nail. So I do still have a lot of acrylic left for like other times if I want to create something like a pink glitter look. As you can see, you don't need a lot at all to kind of put this throughout the nail. And then I'm going to take my cuticle bead, same thing, just kind of make sure you do the cuticle very neatly. You don't want this on your skin, and take your time. Perfect. So this is the glitter all done on my base, and I really love how it looks. It's so gorgeous, like insane. So now I'm going to clear cap everything, and I'm going to take my clear acrylic bead very wet. As you can see, it's kind of gliding through. You want it very wet, especially with like glitter looks, because you want the clear acrylic to go into each of the crevices of the glitter, and this is going to allow it or help it stay clear on your nails. And as you can see, I'm taking it wet and then like kind of gliding it down instead of push patting it down. I think with gliding it down like this as it's wet, it will like blend better and go into each of the glitter crevices that we need it to go into. So yeah. So you want to make sure that this clear layer that you're putting on top is also going to give you strength on the nail. As you can see, I'm doing that method where I kind of drag it down, and then you'll see that there's going to be like a dip in the nail, and I'm going to fix that by putting a big blob of clear and clear on the nail, so that way my nail doesn't look weird. It has like good form, and just the apex is there. So it's very quick, but there's like a dent there. So I put a big glob like this on, and I'm leaving that kind of towards the middle where that dent is. And then I'm lightly blending it out to blend to the other parts of the nail. So here is the nails encapsulated. So I'm taking off my form, and I'm just showing you guys that really quickly. And here are they shaped. Gorgeous, right? I love this shape. And I didn't even use like a drill. I'm trying to get a new drill, but I just used nail files, and I got this beautiful shape. So okay, so I'm bringing out some new products now. I am taking some of these plates that I got from, I think, Amazon, eBay. I'm just going to show you guys each one and how they look like and what designs they have. I haven't used one of these in so long. I used to have like a bunch of sets of these when I was little. These were like in style when I was little, like maybe 7 years old, and I'm using them again, so because they became popular again. So just taking these, here are some roses, and yeah, they're decent plates. I'll be using more of these soon in other videos, so stay tuned for that. This is my favorite plate here. As you can see, I took the blue film off, and this is the one I'm using, and a different one that I didn't show you guys, I don't think. So here are some more new products I purchased. This is from Born Pretty, and these are just black and white stamping nail polishes. I wanted to get specific stamping nail polishes because with the nail polishes that you use with these plates, you need to make sure that they're pigmented to show up. So yeah, just purchase those as well. I'll try to link everything down below. So I'm taking the white and I'm using it on this one plate here. I want to get that rose color, and I am just going to try to see exactly where I want it, and then you want to slowly just apply it, unroll it on the nail. And it looks like this. And I'm taking this other design on the side, and then I'm going to just kind of work that into the nail design, and I'm kind of like trying to match up the flower to the rest of the design, as you can see. Perfect, and that's what that looks like. I kind of want to just like, I wanted to just play around with it, you know. It doesn't have to be extremely perfect, especially in something like this where it's supposed to be like kind of like a lace type of design. But yeah, just roll it on, and if you don't like something, you can actually just take acetone and wipe it off. I love the detailing here with all of the little green leaves, and not green, but like the leaf details. I just applied that under the rose. I think it looks really cute, you know, not too uniformed. So yeah, I'm just gonna finish up putting these on, and this is how it looks at the end. I think it's gorgeous, especially on top of that glitter that we created. I'm taking my Mia Secret Glass Finish LED UV gel polish, and I'm just capping, or kind of making sure that everything is saved. So this is going to create a really nice shine and really bring out the glitter specks that we had underneath. Really gorgeous. I'm going to put this into my lamp for about 60 seconds, and once that's done, I'm applying my cuticle oil, very needed, and these are the finished nails. Look how gorgeous they are. They're so simple but yet so beautiful. I love them. The glitter really does do it beautifully. I mean, what? The glitter does really make it stand out, and it just contrasts the like lace detailing really beautifully. So yeah, guys, if you like this video, just give me a like. Let me know what you want to see down below in the comments, and I'll see you guys in a later video. Bye.